Welcome back to our UX Everything YouTube channel. When a variety of interfaces started to be introduced, designers were left with the challenge on how to accommodate different screen sizes and technologies. To solve for this, there are three main types of experiences. They are responsive, hybrid, and native. Responsive design is a design method that accommodates for things such as screen size, the platform the user is on, and what way a device is oriented. When you hear the term mobile app, people are most likely referring to a native application. These you will find in the App Store and are local or native to the device and take advantage of applications your device has such as camera, Bluetooth, and GPS. Hybrid is a mix of both responsive and native experiences. It uses features of both mobile and web. You can often download them from the App Store, though it's often slow to load, but they can easily scale if you wanted to make the application available on multiple platforms. Hope you found this helpful. Please comment and share if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.